Hi there. I want to be very short. I try to be very short. So, this is the motor I received in 10 June as the application on my phone told me when I received this, and this I received today. I don't know if it's from your store or not. This is the number, track number. The package become a little bit damaged, a little bit more damaged. Okay, hope the motor is okay. Let's try the first one, receiving 10 June, and after that I will try this one, because I want you hear the sound is not okay. Very bad sound. It look like the bearings, bell bearings are damaged here. Very bad sound. Very bad sound. Let's try the other one. Just a second. I could not. Just a second. Okay, I come back. So the second is like this. And this is a good sound. This is a good sound, friend. This work okay. This work not okay. So I'm both builders. Yes. This I made with my hands. So I made the type, I made the fiberglass type also. This one also made, and I use just to know, I use a lot of motors from different companies, but always 4250 like a code, like this one too from Surpass. So I want to buy also your motors because I need that 560 kV. I need this, but I need the motor to be checked before to send me. I need the motors to be good, because it's very bad when you mount on the boat and then you take out. You lose time. So I don't need this. Please understand me. Look at that. Yes? All these boats have this kind of motors. And all the boats goes well with these motors, but this motor is bad. It's very bad. I cannot use it at all. My fault, because I don't try in that time. But today I work a little bit just to have this stand probe. So I will keep this just to trying the motors. I make this SHA just to try the motors. But beginning from now, I will try all the motors. But this is not okay. So, or you send me one, or you send me the bell bearings. I can change the bell bearings. Please, I'm your customer. I ordered already from your store 5-6 motors. I don't know how many, and I want to order again. But please help me. I cannot use it, this motor. Thank you very much.